If you're new here, welcome. My name is Patty, and today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a vegan leather handbag from a brand called SINBONO. So today's video is a collaboration with a handbag brand called SINBONO. They have sent me over one of their amazing purses and I'm going to be unboxing it and reviewing it for you guys. Their brand concept is very minimalistic, very eco-friendly. Their bags are vegan leather and they're also cruelty-free. They definitely have a lot of affordable chic bags. If you go on their site, you'll definitely see their style. They're definitely very minimalistic but chic. They have also given me a coupon code for 26% off, and that code is Patties. I'll leave that right here and also down in the description box, as well as the exact links of the bag that I got. All right, let's go ahead and unbox this bag. All right, so first I'm going to be showing you the packaging. I don't know about you guys, but I am a sucker for good packaging. I don't know why. I feel like presentation, I feel like it's part of everything about the whole brand. So for me, I personally feel like good packaging goes a long way. So it comes in this box here that has the brand name in the front, SINBONO, and it's kind of like a marble type of box, which I thought was really cute. So this is what it looks like packaged inside. It does come with a dust bag with the brand name in the front. I love that it comes with a dust bag. I feel like that's so important for your bags because I feel like it kind of protects it from dust and from any debris or anything. So I really love that it came with the dust bag. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. And this is the bag, you guys. I am so obsessed with this bag. I honestly saw this green color and I immediately said yes, 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 yes. I feel like this color for me personally, it's like classic but a trendy color at the same time. I feel like right now this color is currently trending for summer, but I feel like even after the summer, this is a bag I would definitely wear going into fall and other seasons. It's super, super chic. Like I said, their designs are absolutely like effortlessly chic, which I really love, and the material feels honestly very buttery soft. Like I said, they are vegan leather. They're definitely an eco-friendly and cruelty-free brand. So this one is called their drawstring handbag in the color green. It does have like a drawstring style on the side here, and also it does come with a strap. I'll go ahead and take it out of here, and this is the strap. The strap does come in kind of like a drawstring kind of style, and the ends of the drawstring handle part, it does come in a gold finish as well as a gold finish here on the side. I personally love gold finishes honestly on everything, so I feel like it just makes the bag look even chicer. So this is what it looks like with the handbag on. You can kind of just clip it in really easily on both sides. I feel like this is super, super chic. I love the kind of like structural style of it. I feel like it gives it a nice classy touch. And then the inside is a faux suede material, and it has two kind of like pockets in the front, kind of like dividers, so you can put your lipstick, keys, or credit cards or anything like that. And the inside, I would definitely say is very spacious. I can definitely see myself fitting here a couple of essentials and maybe a few other things. So it does kind of look like a small bag, but honestly I feel like I can fit so much in here, especially with the two pockets inside. I love that, so that way you can have division of certain things inside your bag. And the inside does have the logo inside as well. It does have a little bit of vegan leather on the inside as well, and then it also does come with a little clip. You can clip right here to kind of close the bag. Honestly, I feel like this is such a chic bag that I feel like I can dress up and dress down, and I think that's why I kind of went with this one. I definitely wanted to have a bag that I feel like I can use not just for dressed up occasions or just dressed down. I kind of wanted to do both, and I feel like with this bag you can definitely do both. So this one is in a satchel style. They definitely do have more styles on the site as well. They do have crossbody, they have bigger bags, mini bags, they have a ton of different styles. I felt for me this one kind of just called out more of my style, a nice medium size kind of satchel style. And again, like I told you guys, this color is like trendy right now and I can use this bag right now, but it's also a classic color for me personally. This is definitely a bag you guys are going to see with my outfits now during summer, and you're also going to be seeing this bag with my outfits in fall. Definitely a great bag. I definitely feel I can give give it a lot of purpose in my wardrobe. I also feel that you can wear it over the shoulders if you want to try it in a different style. And I also feel like this can triple as a clutch because the straps are removable. You can definitely use this just kind of like a clutch and just kind of hold it like this. That's what I love about this bag. I feel like I can use it in different ways, and like I said, dress it up or dress it down, so different styles. I love a bag that has multi-purposes in my wardrobe, and I definitely feel like I can do that with this bag. Now, I created 2 outfit ideas with this bag, one dressed up and one dressed down. For this first one here, I'm showing you guys how I styled this SINBONO bag dressed up. I'm pairing here a pair of white denim jeans and a perforated top that is actually a bodysuit. This top here is definitely very summery. It does have kind of hints of green that I felt kind of stood out with the bag. I lightly accessorized this look with some gold accessories, and for these shoes I added a pair of wedges in yellow to kind of create a bit of a color block with the green bag. Here you can see the SINBONO bag dressed up. I feel like this is a great dressed up summer outfit idea, and the bag kind of adds that nice little pop of color to the look. Definitely gives it a nice summery vibe. I also feel because the bag is in a structured style, I definitely feel like it helps give this look more of that dressed up touch. Now for the second look that I'm sharing with you guys here, I dressed it down so you can see the same bag in a more dressed down outfit. Here I'm styling an all black dress, and I threw a white button down top tied in the front to kind of give it a more relaxed, super chill kind of weekend vibe, and I paired it with a pair of sneakers. This outfit here is definitely something I would wear on weekends to run errands, something super chill, something super simple and also very comfy, and I feel like the bag here works perfectly. Again, it adds a nice little pop of color to this look, and I feel like it just kind of brings the look all together. This is what I call like an effortlessly chic type of outfit where it's just super simple pieces put together, and I feel like that one finishing touch that kind of brings everything together. For here in this outfit, I feel like it's the bag. So like I said, this SINBONO bag here for me, I feel like it's a multi-purpose type of item in my wardrobe. As you can see, I can dress it up and I can also dress it down. I absolutely love both outfits. 2 outfits I would definitely wear for the summer. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and reviewing of the SINBONO bag. I definitely recommend getting a bag from them. 10 out of 10. Don't forget to check the description box. I have left the link to this exact bag and their website, and also my coupon code so you guys can save 26% off. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.